Teacher knowledge and behavior is the component of the model that focuses on teachers' knowledge of students and content and on their expertise in classroom management and pedagogy. Teacher knowledge is the element of teacher knowledge and behavior that encompasses knowledge of student characteristics and teachers' in-depth content knowledge, and the blending of these to enhance learning. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students are creating an informational booklet on building and flying kites. Each student is assigned a topic to research and has to use various print and electronic resources to locate information. The teacher's in-depth content knowledge is evident in her comprehension of the lesson content. She explains the different elements of the lesson clearly and concisely so the students know what to expect. The students are going to brainstorm, research a topic, share their research with the class, and create a booklet about kites.
We're going to go through a brainstorming process where we're going to put down what we know and then what we feel like we need to know, what we need to learn to fill in all of the blank spaces. And then we're going to do research. We're going to do research in a number of ways. We have a lot of books over there that we can do research from. I have fiction and I have nonfiction. I have a lot of nonfiction books. We're going to come back and we're going to share the information that we got, and we're going to compile it and get it all together so that we can fill in what we've learned about kites.
The teacher's knowledge of student characteristics allows her to address her learners' multiple intelligences. The students use their verbal linguistic intelligence as they brainstorm information they already know about kites and what they still need to know. They then share their ideas with the class.
Who would like to begin? What do you already know about kites? What do you know? Mark.
They will fly well if you put tail on it.
Okay, so some kites have a tail. All kites have a tail. All kites fly well if you have a tail?
Not all of them, but some kind. There's long tail on it, and they will fly good.
Okay. What else do you know? Dina?
I put about the safety tips. I put you shouldn't fly a kite when there's a storm.
When there's a storm. Why not?
Because of what's it called?
What's it called?
Lightning.
Lightning. When the lightning comes down, yeah. Kite string can be a good conductor, can't it? What else? Ruth, what do you know about kites?
It is an outdoor equipment.
Okay, it's outdoor equipment. It'd be kind of hard to fly a kite in a classroom, wouldn't it?
You have to see if it's good weather outside.
Okay. So weather is very important for kite flying. Somebody said wind, no thunder and lightning, good weather, but it has to be outdoors.
The teacher addresses the students' intrapersonal intelligence by allowing them to decide which topics they want to research. This lets the students make decisions about their own learning experience.
Does anybody else have a favorite that they would like to, a topic that they would like to research? Ruth?
Who flew the first kite?
Okay, so you want to do history and who flew the first ones. Dina?
I want to know how many kind of kites are there.
Okay, the kinds of kites. Mark?
The teacher's in-depth content knowledge is evident in her method of instruction. The students have to sift through various print, electronic, and internet sources in order to find information on their topics. Using the discovery method of learning allows the students to take control of and assume responsibility for their learning. The teacher's knowledge of student characteristics once again helps her address her students' multiple intelligences. She appeals to her students' intrapersonal intelligence by having them conduct their research individually. This encourages a sense of independence that gives the students ownership of their learning and allows them to become autonomous learners. The teacher addresses her students' bodily kinesthetic intelligence by having them construct kites and fly them outside. This lets the students engage in a physical activity, and it gives them a chance to apply the principles of kite construction and kite flying. The teacher gives her students the opportunity to use their visual spatial intelligence as well. She uses drawings and colored images to enhance the students' understanding of kites and kite flying. The students draw their own kites, modeling them after those they see in the books and pictures provided by the teacher.